Dreaming of a pristine pool without the headaches? In this video, we're diving deep into the most common pool maintenance problems and how to prevent them. Hi, I'm JC, co-founder and CEO of J Designs Pool and Spa, and with 25 years of hands-on experience, I've seen and fixed a multitude of pool problems. Let's explore the common issues you might face and how to avoid them. Here I will explain in 4 segments these issues. First one is filtration issue. There is a large list of deficiencies that are a root cause of most of the pool maintenance issues. The circulation time leads to pool filtration. Equipment malfunctioning or leaks, infrequent cleaning filter, not replacing drain covers as required, low water levels, unbalanced chemical levels, and undersized equipment. The second issue are electrical challenges. Ensuring electrical components like pumps, heaters, panels are properly bonded. Addressing tripping GFCI outlets for the pool lights and need replacement. Loose wiring and waterproof integrity of the outlets and panels or timer boxes needs to be checked regularly. Third one are the pool surface issues. Regular cleaning to avoid mineral and calcium buildup on tiles and surfaces is required. If you vacuum, avoid microscopic particles, accumulation and staining that stay on the bottom of your pool. Keeping the expansion joints in good condition and prevent water damage. Fourth and last one are the chemical issues. Inconsistent chemical spikes levels and readings like pH can create calcium levels and damage your pool. Relying solely on chlorinated tablets, these are the leading cause of the increase of harmful conditioner levels, which can only be resolved by draining and refilling most of the pool water. Skipping enzyme usage, which helps eliminate biofilm and body oils. Not monitoring calcium levels, which can speed up the surface wear. For salt pools, high salt concentrations can damage the equipment and pool structure. Why should I address these problems? Maintaining a pool is not just about clear water. It's about prolonging the pool life, ensuring safety, and enjoying a hassle-free swimming experience. Protect your investment, and in most cases, the backyard and pools are the second largest investment after your home. So how can I prevent these problems? Schedule regular pool checkups with a pool professional or a maintenance technician. Use balanced mix of chemicals and adjust per seasonal needs. Ensure electrical components are regularly inspected and prioritize regular cleaning routines, from vacuuming to cleaning tiles and filters. Stay educated. The more you know about your pool, the better you can take care of it. How does J Designs can assist you with these challenges? We offer comprehensive pool maintenance services, from chemical balancing to electrical checkups or cleaning filters. Our experts can guide you through the best practices and offer tailor-made solutions. Want to ensure your pool stays in prime? Reach out to us for a maintenance checkup and get any of your pool-related questions answered. Don't let your pool problems dampen your summer fun. With the right care and attention, you can enjoy a sparkling pool season after season. Dive in and let's make your pool dreams come true.